Namaste and greeting to the conference organizer, delegates, and all participants of the 15th International Conference on Interdisciplinary Research for Sustainable Development IRSD 2025. Myself, Dr. Gangaraman Loy, Associate Professor and Dean Planning and Development, Rewa Engineering College, Rewa, Madhya Pradesh, India. On this World Environmental Day, let us confirm our duty to protect the earth and pursue sustainable solutions. This global conference reflects the power of interdisciplinary collaborations for a better future. We borrow the planet for our children. Let us honor their trust. Best wish to all participants. Thank you and good luck. My presentation titles Hybrid Multi-Exit Forming of Sheet Metal Tulpa Driven Innovations for Dieless Thin Wall Component Fabrications. Abstract key highlight emerging innovations, recent breakthrough in sheet metal forming now enable creation of complex thin wall component without conventional die. Proposed solution introduce a novel hybrid forming process that combine DM and ISMF. Advanced system designs custom built at axis setup 4 axis on top side and 4 axis on bottom side. Each side is spindle rotations enabling synchronized double-sided tool path. Key outcomes here fabrication of monolithic impeller type geometries. Core methodologies algorithm tool path generations spring back comparisons in depth parameter optimization impact and application flexible and cost effective. Keyword here DM, incremental sheet forming, thin wall structures, multi-axis tool path, spring back compensations, dieless manufacturing. Introduction to keyword point dieless forming revolutions, why hybrid forming, combined machine and forming, direct CAD to part via CNC tool path. Ideal for low volume and high complexities production. Challenges addressed here thin wall part suffer from deflections, low stiffness and thermal instabilities. Tool path optimization and error compensations are critical for precise and stabilities. Research focus, multi-axis hybrid forming, tool path strategies development, spring back mitigations. Background of ISMF, SPIF and DM. Background here incremental sheet metal forming and single point incremental forming evolved since 1967 and formalized as single point incremental forming in 2004 based on stretching and shear deformations and suitable for flexible tool-less forming. Background of deformation machining, they introduced as a hybrid process, milling and forming enabled high-profile fabrications. Prone efficiency for micro meso scale components. एप्लीकेशन की सेक्टर है बायोमेडिकल्स, क्लिनिकल प्लेट, स्कल, फेशियल इम्प्लांट, ऑर्थोसिस सपोर्ट, प्रोस्थेटिक, ankles, knee, back seat, etc. In automobiles, fenders, tail light, bracket, turbochargers parts, aerospace and aviation, turbine, compressor wheel. In defense, high precise impeller blade and other domains, micro thin wall models, application of impeller and compressor in aviation, marine, locomotives, energy sectors, oil and gases and automobile sectors. Outline of literature review and identify research gap. Outlines of literature reviews, single point incremental forming and deformation machining strategies, key process parameters, experimental approaches, ISF and DMM, and trials and finding, deformation and fracture mechanisms, material behavior under hybrid forming, toolpath generations, path planning method for hybrid forming, DM application, identify research gap and future directions, lack of integrations models, no unified DM and ISMF modeling framework, limited multi-axis toolpath strategies, inadequate compression technique, challenges in low rigid structures, need for tailored structures, strategies in aerospace and great parts, forming thin wall, low stiffness part, need of intelligent toolpath algorithms. Research focus on toolpath development, multi-axis toolpath strategies, simultaneous machining and incremental sheet forming in a single setup, promote monolithic fabrications, explore hybrid deformation machine compatibility materials, which target the biomedicals, aerospace and automobiles, minimize wastage and cost, build analytical models. Another thing here, toolpath innovations in DM and ISF, feature-based toolpath generations, automated feature recognitions, contour relation map, spring supported air mechanisms. These strategies enhance efficiency, accuracy, and surface quality. Process parameters, key parameter, tool geometries, spindle speed, feed rate, step depth, thermal and friction effect, high spindle speed, friction, less heating and formalities, excessive friction, surface roughness increase, fracture risk also increase, frictions, critical influence on the surface integrities, spring break and residual stress are effect, spring break, elastic recovery, post forming, forming limit, wall angle, it will be 60 degree to 65 due to sheet thinning, surface roughness, key out quality metrics, and another parameter is force, roughness and monitoring, experimental insight, toolpath development and integrations. Toolpath development and integrations, double-sided toolpath strategies, two independent toolpath, top spindle for machining, bottom spindle for incremental forming, top spindle and bottom spindle simultaneous work for machining, incremental forming, synchronized executions, toolpath integrated in single continuous trajectories, simultaneously feed of both spindle, benefit, enhance deformations, uniformities, improve dimensional accuracies, toolpath enhance, direct influence geometric surface finishing, processing time, spring break compensations, machining toolpath generation visualization shown in figure here. Figure 1 represents the top view and for single fin toolpath, and this figure B represents the isometric view of the one single toolpath or single fin. In figure C represent the multi-fin strategies. For example, has 6 fin machining toolpath strategies. Machining motions out to in and in to out. Alterations per depth of increment and follow machining from top to bottom toolpath directions. Here machining toolpath generation and visualizations. In figure 2 represent the CATIA visualizations for machining toolpath, and figure 3 represent the isometric view of multi-fin toolpath strategies. And this validates the strategies for complex freeform geometries, confirm efficiency and material removal via top spindles. Here figure represent for forming toolpath generation and visualization for the forming. In figure 4 here represent single farming toolpath, and figure B represent the multi-fin farming toolpath, and figure C represent the isometric view of synchronized machining and farming. And farming motion patterns, here tool alter always from and toward the center as shown in figure 5a, and move along bottom to top direction as shown in figure B, and design of reform to monolithic transformation. And figure 6 represent here isometric NC Weaver simulations demonstrate simultaneous top spindle deformations. Rationale for hybrid deformation machining of impeller and compressor component. CAD model configurations show here in figure 10, 10 single-sided designs, blade arranged on one side of the disc for unidirectional flow or compact system, easy toolpath generation of deformation machining, and also here double-sided designs. The blade are both sided, symmetric and asymmetric, suited for aerospace, turbocharger, high efficiency pump, requires simultaneous multi-axis toolpath strategies. Conclusions: hybrid deformation machining, revolution of manufacturing of impeller and compressor component, integrated precise machining, incremental forming via unified digital toolpath, and dialless furnace free, ideal for monolithic and aerospace geometry. Some key benefit: high dimensional accuracy, reduced material wastage, enhanced dimensional stability, low energy consumption, and sustainable and cost-effective alternative to traditional die-based method. Industrial impact: DM set a new benchmark in digital manufacturing for aerospace, automobile, energy sectors. Thank for your kind attentions, and here is my address to reach me. Thanks to all of you.